The Minister of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation of Timor-Leste, Bendito dos Santos Freitas, together with the Ambassador of Japan to Timor-Leste, Yamamoto Yasushi, signed a cooperation agreement between the government of Timor-Leste and the government of Japan through the Human Research Development Scholarship Project, or GDS. The signing of the agreement marks an important step in efforts to strengthen relation and cooperation between Timor-Leste and Japan, particularly in the areas of the human research, development, and education.
On behalf of the government of Timor-Leste, I express our sincere appreciation to the government and people of Japan for their long-standing friendship and continued investment in the development of our people and our institutions. Today's signing represents a continued strategic investment in human capital, institutional capacity, and the future leadership of Timor-Leste. Since its introduction in Timor-Leste in 2018, the GDS program has provided valuable opportunities for Timorese public servants to acquire advanced knowledge and experience at Japanese universities. To date, 52 Timorese fellows have been sent to Japan, and with 7 additional participants departing this month, the total will reach 59. Am I correct? For the Timor-Leste, this investment comes at a very important moment in our national development process. As our country enters a new phase of development and deeper regional and international engagement, strengthening the capability of our state institution is increasingly important. Our long-term success will depend not only on the infrastructure and financial resources, but fundamentally on capable people, effective institutions, and a professional public administration capable to translate national priorities into tangible results for our citizens. The ZDS program contributes directly to this objective by strengthening the knowledge, the skills, and leadership capabilities within our public institutions. Its true values lies not only in academic qualifications, but in how acquired knowledge is translated into better policies, stronger institutions, and more effective public services. Through today's agreement, Japan will provide grant assistance of up to 176 million Japanese yen for the GDS program for fiscal year 2027. We deeply value this continued commitment and the confidence it demonstrates in Timor-Leste's future.
Through the GDS project, opportunities will be provided for Timor-Leste public officials to receive scholarship to study in Japan, enabling them to enhance their knowledge, skills, and professional competencies.
Japan has been supporting the Timor-Leste in the wide range of the sectors, but this is to the kind of the investment in the ability of the government officials of the Timor-Leste. Japan, since 2019, we have supporting more than 50 the government officials of the Timor-Leste, and every year about 7 or 8 the government officials come to Japan to study in the graduate school of the university. Because that now that Timor-Leste become the option member of the ASEAN, so this country is getting more and more needs the human resources in every ministries of the government. So the Japan will continue to support Timor-Leste, particularly for the next chairmanship of the ASEAN Summit.
This cooperation will contribute to strengthening human research capacity and further deepening the partnership between Timor-Leste and Japan.